Hey guys, today I will be talking about some tricks for Coursera, a very renowned platform for getting courses and learning new skills. So as you can see, this is my home page of courses. So I have one course active, that is machine learning, and I have completed one course, that is IBM Data Science Professional Certification course. So this is a specialization course. It needs money for certificate, and you can see I have certificate now. So I can view certificate. So this course has been bought by me, and the previous one was free. Let's make it clear how to get a free course and show you some proof. So my purchases are, you can see I have bought this IBM Data Science as I told you earlier. It took around 2879 every month. I have paid for a month. In transaction details I can show you. I have paid for a month and I have completed the course. It's non-refundable and no more I have to pay because I have completed it. Now this course which is interesting is it's for 0 rupees because I applied for financial aid on April 25th and on May 26th I got it approved. It took around 15 days and it takes 15 days for each and every course to get financially approved. And also you can get 50% discount if you are willing to pay some amount, and if by chance you don't get a financial aid, you can still opt for 50% discount by Coursera on the course amount. So let's show you how to apply for financial aid and how to go for, see, you can see the certificate. So let's take a course like this one, okay, and manage subscription. So I will show you the 50% discount first. So after you go to a course like this, any course, you can see enroll for free. You will get a 7-day free trial. Just click on it and click on the start trial button. As soon as you click on it, you will be opted for a payment detail, a credit card detail or PayPal account. Just you need to put all these things and start your free trial. Your free trial will be started and it will look like this. Okay, so your card will be charged on so and so date. It will be shown here. And after doing for a few weeks, for means or 1 week, you can cancel the subscription without any cost. Okay, so if you are dedicated, you can complete a course within a week and get a certificate without paying the money. So like this course was for, let me show you. Okay, so this course is for 17 hours approx, so you can complete it in 3 to 4 days and you will get a certificate for this course without paying any money. Okay, now that's a one way of getting certificate. Other way is when you are willing to pay 50% amount, just click on cancel subscription. You will be promoted for a 50% discount or 80% discount. There will be a dialog box, apply promo code. Just click on it and pay the amount. That's it. Because I have paid for a month, I won't be means available for that 50% discount. But when I was on the subscription, that free trial subscription, I got that. Okay, so I was not knowing previously, and then I applied for a financial aid. In the process I will tell you. Just go here, click on financial aid, continue to the application. You have to all check this and copy this, paste it, continue. Choose your background, annual income, give us minimum annual income like $50. If you are in India, like $50. If you are a student, then US dollars per month, how much you can afford. Maximum you can give $10. I will be giving $5. Let's, now what you have to explain them, you have to explain them in 150 words and mention these things. Your area is poor. Explain it. Your schooling or explain this. Your parents profession means you have to show that my parents are daily wagers or are poor. So then that your annual income is very low. Tell how dedicated you are in your studies. Let's do this here. Okay, how this question is very common. Google it, you will get some points, stick it here and done. Next is using low interest. No, just no. Again, copy all these things, edit something and paste it here, submit the application, wait for 15 days. You will surely get a financial aid on your course. I have seen in my friends accounts they have got two financial aids, maximum two financial aids, financial aid in a year. And if you pay for course, you will get 3 or 4 financial aids. So I will show you how many financial aids I can get, and the next time I show you, I will show you the application also. Okay, with some editing I can show that also. So for any details or any doubt, please comment, I will surely help you out. And thank you for watching this video. Have a great career ahead. Just go on Coursera, bang it, learn whatever you want and improve your career, get your dreams, and stay safe obviously. Thank you. Have a nice day.